Hello guys, welcome to Skill Hub. Why you using the require attribute on your select tag? I mean, when you use the any font, then if you need to use the similar type of select dropdown, then you need to validation like required. Now, if you click, then you will go into the action. Yes, so if you add the require attribute, then it will be not going if you not select the any drop down menu item. So I'll just show you. It is a pretty easy. You just need to write the attribute like this is the select tag, and you just need to add the require attribute. It's done. Now you can just reload here and just submit. This is the not item. Please select an item in the list. Now if you click, then it will go in the action page. So that's it. It is a pretty easy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.